Okay, guys, this is Optimal FS. Let me show you the best scalping strategy you can use to make consistent profit trading volatility 75 index. Scalping strategy, best scalping strategy to trade volatility 75 index and make consistent profit. The time frame is 5 minutes time frame. Only two indicator is what you need to make consistent profit. Scalping volatility 75 index, moving average and ADS. These are the only two indicators you need to make it huge on scalping volatility 75 index. Now let me show you the settings for this particular strategy before we go deep into the main thing. Now first of all, you hit on what? F, then she's go to moving average. Here is the moving average. So you hit on it. So this is the settings for the moving average. Here are what? The settings for the moving average. The period is what? 200. Do you understand? Shift is 0. Method is what? Exponential. Do you understand? Apply to close. So that is all. Then style 3 pixel, choose the color of your choice. So once you are done with the setting with the moving average, you hit done. Now the second indicator is average directional movement index, ADS. That is what the second indicator. So here is the ADS. Here is what? ADS. So you hit on it. So this is the settings for ADS. As what? The settings for ADS. The period is what? 100. Do you understand? The period is 100. Then the color of the style should be the same color as what your screen background. So my own screen background is white, so I choose the color of what the style to be white because my screen background is what? White. Do you understand? So plus di, this is the setting. 4 pixel, the color is green. The minus di, 4 pixel, the color is red. So that is all for average directional movement index, ADX. So once you are done with the settings, you hit done. Now let me show you how to apply this. Let me show you how. Let me delete one so that appear to you. So let me show you how to make use of this and make consistent profits. How to use it and make what? Consistent profit. Now the first point is the moving average, the 200 moving average. Look at this moving average. So this moving average, when the candlesticks are above the moving average, will only be considering buying signals. So when the candlesticks are below this moving average, we only focus on what? Sell signals. Now our entry should be from where we enter, should be from where the crossing happens in the side of what? ADX. Do you understand? So let me illustrate. Now first point is that here it is obvious that the candlesticks are below moving average. So we only focus on where the red line of ADX, look at this, where the red line of ADS crosses the green line, whereby the red line of ADS is what? Above. So that point where the crossing occur, that is where we should do what? Take our sell entry. Do you understand? So here, provided the candlesticks are below the moving average, we focus only on sell signals. So I want you to make your sell entry here. Here should be your what? Sell entry. Do you understand? And this is what? SS profit for you. Do you understand? This is what? SS profit. Do you understand? So let's proceed. Let's proceed. Now watch here, the candlesticks are above moving average. The candlesticks are what? Above moving average. So we should focus on only buying opportunities, but buying signals. So we will wait. This is more of a scalping strategy. So we wait when the green line of ADS crosses the red line of what? ADS, whereby the green line of the ADS is what? Above, while the red line is what? Below. So we now look at here, look here. Look at this place, see where the green line of ADS crosses the red line and it is above. That's it. See here. So I want you to make a buy entry here. Do you understand? And this is what profit for you. Do you understand? So provided the candlesticks remain above the moving average, we only focus on buy signals. Do you understand? So this is another opportunity here. Look at it. Look at this. The green line crosses the red line of ADS. So I want you to make another buy entry here. This is what excess profit. So we are buying because the candlesticks are still above the moving average. That is why we are focusing on buy. Do you understand? So let's proceed. This is excess profit for you. Do you understand? So this is another crossing here. There is another crossing here. Look at it. There is what? Another crossing here, but the profit here is not much. Do you understand? So now here the candlesticks are below the moving average. So we'll be focusing on only sell. Do you understand? That is the where the red line of ADS crosses the green line of what? ADS. Do you understand? So watch here. Here should be our first entry. Look at it. The red line of ADS crosses the green line of what? ADS. Look at it. So we make our sell entry here. Do you understand? And this is what? Excess profit. So because the candlesticks are below the moving average, so we are focusing on only sell signals. Do you understand? So let's proceed. Let's proceed. Now here is another opportunity. Here is another opportunity. Look at it. Look at the crossing here. Have you seen it? See the crossing here. So we make our sell entry here again, and this is what? Excess profit. Guys, this particular strategy pays very, very well. Do you understand? This is what? Scalping strategy with profitable signal. Do you understand? So that is it. There is another opportunity here. There is another opportunity here. Look at it. There is another opportunity here. So I want you to make your sell entry here, and this is what? Excess profit. Guys, this is Optimal FS, where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit and make their own profits. Thank you.